Welcome to the second video in Section 4, Integers in Context. In this video, we'll look at a couple of word problems that we have to solve using integers. So in this first example, it says a snail climbs 5 centimeters up a wall and then slides down 7 centimeters. Write an expression to represent the snail's position from where they started and then solve it. Well, to create an expression for this, we can represent them climbing 5 centimeters up a wall with a positive 5, and then the fact that they slid down 7 centimeters with a negative 7. So now to solve this, we're adding a positive and a negative. We can just subtract, and we get negative 2. So now with all word problems, we need to answer this with a statement. We can say that the snail is 2 centimeters below where they started. So we don't need to say that they are negative 2 centimeters below. The below takes care of the negative. Now in this next example, it says if the highest recorded temperature on Earth is 56 degrees Celsius and the coldest is negative 89 degrees Celsius, what is the difference between these temperatures? So we have to create an expression and then solve it. So the operation here is going to be subtraction since it's looking for the difference. So we can write the expression as positive 56 subtract negative 89. Now adding the opposite, we can write it like this. So we just need to add these two together to give us 145. So now we can answer it and say that the difference in these temperatures is 145 degrees Celsius. Now in this last example, it says the elevator in a skyscraper travels from floor 21 to the underground parking garage on level -4. Write an expression to determine how many floors it descended, meaning went down, and then solve it. So we can create our expression by subtracting where they started from where they ended up. -4 subtract 21 becomes -4 plus -21. Now adding these two negative integers together gives me -25. So now answering the question, I'll say that the elevator descended 25 floors. Now part B of this question says, if the elevator then travels up 18 floors, on which floor will it stop? Well, it's currently in the underground parking garage at level -4, don't forget. So if we add 18 to that, that gives us 14. So we can say that the elevator will land on the 14th floor. So now you can move on to the next video in this lesson to look at more word problems involving integers.